Hello and welcome to Kristen So Crafty. My name is Kristen. I'm really happy that you're joining me today. Today we're going to be opening box number 18 because today is December the 18th. Time is flying really fast. So here is box number 18. So let's scoot that out of the way, and we have a little building. Let's open this up and see what's in. Come on. These things just never seem to want to open for me. There we go. Okay, well, we have, oh, these are dry erase markers. I know that because on the ends, there's little sponges. So those are for whiteboards, or for if you had like a picture or a design that you've made and it's got like a sheen on it, so like a laminating film, you can use dry erase markers for those. So let's get a little paper. I know this is not a dry erase, but oh yes. Actually, you know what? I do have a whiteboard. Let me go grab it. So here's my whiteboard. Somebody's already written Merry Christmas on it, so we'll just erase that. Grab a little cloth here. There we go. And then we can test out these dry erase markers. I'm just going to take the ones off that I already had. So here we have a purple. Oh dear, can you write backwards? Technically this isn't backwards, it's upside. Oh, I did. Look at that. I did manage to keep it all going the same way. So that was the purple. I don't know how Christmas will work, but we're gonna try it. So far they seem to be nice. It's hard writing sideways slash upside down slash backwards. So there you go. Here, get this on here. That looks like a child's writing, but that's okay. So you know what? I needed some more of these, and the kids love writing on here too. So I only had the red and the black before, but now I have a pink and a purple. It's a wonderful addition to our craft room. I hope you enjoyed this short little video of the unboxing of box number 18, and we will see what's in store for us tomorrow as we open box number 19. So thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.